Get ready to unwind with me. While everyone knows a regular massage, few knows the art of Siam Herbal Healing massage. Between finance and a week in my heels, my body feels heavy. My weight is tight, my mind is noisy, and I needed a real reset. It starts with ginger tea to settle the mind. It's that first real exhale where the notification finally stops and the quiet takes over. I always go for the deep herbal balm. It's a signal to my brain to finally soften. We start by washing away the noise with Thai-inspired grace. The real magic is the heated herbal compress. It's a quiet restoration that targets tension in a way a regular massage just can't. It's a pulsing warmth that turns aching into airy. I'm leaving with a clear head and a serious glow. Honestly, sometimes the most productive thing you can do is absolutely nothing. Reset done, I'm back to myself and ready for the week. Take care, sisters.